Today, let's walk you through our latest updates to the SmartWay Configurator. First, let's adjust the room size. Now you can choose between imperial or metric units, making working with your preferred measurement system easier. Select it from the bottom right. As we move the entry point of the raceway, you'll notice a new feature, a measurement grid. This allows for precise placement of your raceway components, ensuring everything is positioned exactly where you need it. Next, you'll now see a helpful pop-up instructing you to press and hold the mouse button to rotate, or press and hold the right mouse button to pan around the space. After finishing your first raceway build, adding a second entry point to the room is an exciting new feature. Clicking the Add Entry Point button at the bottom left allows you to add multiple entry points to the same room. Let's drag the new entry point across the room to showcase how easy it is to build multiple raceways. Before finishing your second entry point, if you need to switch back to your first raceway build, the Free Roam button on the bottom left is another great addition. This allows you to freely move around the room and seamlessly select any raceway by clicking the green arrow for continued editing. When adding international device boxes and selecting sockets and openings, we use a glow feature and informational pop-up to assist you through the selection process before confirming the device box. This ensures you can configure your device boxes to your exact specifications. You can select multiple device boxes and place them anywhere on either raceway. Let's pan across the room to add device boxes to both raceways. This flexibility allows for greater control over your configurations, making managing multiple configurations within the same project simple. To improve the space's feel, we added an Add Furniture button at the top right. This button lets you visualize your configuration with furniture elements like standard desks and chairs. When selecting furniture, the same measurement grid appears, helping you place items precisely in the room. Now, let's add furniture to the second raceway build. By each furniture element, you'll see a Rotate button. After selecting a piece of furniture, you can easily rotate it according to your raceway build. After finishing your system build, you can export a parts list in Excel format by selecting the middle button on your part summary. To the left of that button, you can export a PDF of your entire build. When selecting the PDF option, you can choose between including pricing or leaving it off the part summary, depending on your project's needs. With these new updates, the SmartWay Configurator makes designing and customizing your raceway simple and more intuitive. Start configuring your next SmartWay Raceway project today.